I just noticed a weird connection that I've never seen anybody talk about, but I've never followed a female influencer that talks about self-worth who believes in an Abrahamic religion. And I've never followed a content creator who I respect and think their content is deep and actually intellectual, who follows an influencer who believes in Abrahamic religion and still gives some kind of woman empowerment. I don't fall for it, and other feminist creators never fall for it. And when I see a self-worth creator who is casually bashing Abrahamic religions, I immediately follow. I immediately know, okay, yeah, that's a creator who's actually gonna be talking about something deep and they actually see through patriarchal systems. A woman that follows an Abrahamic religion will never be able to teach a woman that doesn't about self-worth, self-love, or feminism.